invite you to something glamorous. What's next? I'm inspired by
So I was reading this book by Russell Simmons called Do You, and he was stating that he doesn't feel like no one song that's on the radio shouldn't be there. And when I first read the statement, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't agree right away, but at the same time, like, it made sense as far as like a lot of the messages that you hear like being delivered. And he chose 50 Cent as an example. 50 Cent is giving you a reflection of his environment. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of brothers that's coming out in a lot of different areas of this nation, and they really are just telling you what's going on in their surroundings and how they're choosing to deal with it. Because there's one thing that I've always felt like with the hood, you know what I'm saying? You will meet some of the strongest people you've ever met in your entire life, because it's all about survival, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, if this is how they choosing to survive, that's not their fault. Like, it's just because it's by any means. It's about what can we do to put into these communities to give other people other outlets, you know what I'm saying? And make it to where they have other places to turn or other things to look to in order to receive certain growths, or just balance out what they're dealing with their home situation or working environment or whatever's going on with them, you know what I'm saying? Like, instead of judging, it's like, let's create, you know?
So 3 mixtapes, 1 coming out on New Year's. You've been on Sway in the Morning. You've opened for Styles P. What is your ultimate goal?
To be one of the best to ever do it. Like, hands down, not male or female, just in general. Like, to break that barrier. Somebody told me Nicki Minaj said they need to merge that category with the males and the females, because she ain't got no real competition out here, which is true. For a really long time, it's just been her. And the people that they be putting in the categories be like, what? Like, we be watching the awards, like, where she got a song, you know what I'm saying? Like, but it's like, seriously, like, if it would be dope if we could make it like that, you know what I'm saying? And just make it like, this person is just great because they're great, not because she's a female, you know?
When people listen to your music, what's one thing that you want them to walk away from after hearing?
Just, you know, whatever they could get from it, like however you can relate. I only ask, or what I always pray for, is that they understand my passion or my love. You know what I'm saying? Because that's always, I always put me into everything, and that's always what I want people to take from me, period. But I make music for those that can relate, and that's for whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I played a song for her earlier with my D-Boy song that's coming out on my next mixtape, and it's just like, I've been in love with a man that was a felon, and it's like him getting out of jail, and it's hard for him to find a job no matter what he does. You know what I'm saying? It's like they'll pick somebody with no experience over him because of his background, and it's like, how do you want our men out here to improve if you're not giving them certain opportunities? You know what I'm saying? And they still have families that they need to provide for. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you this story, if you could relate, that, you know what I'm saying, I'm sorry that you could relate, but it's like, at the same time, that's what I make music for. It's like, whatever I choose to speak on, I just know that these are stories that I don't hear anymore, not in mainstream.
No. Well, She-Real, I really appreciate you having this conversation with me today. Probably the best so far done on Glam TV.
Wow.
If you guys want more information on She-Real, click the links below. That's it for me. Until next time, XOXO, Miss Jones.